You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words and more confusing vocabulary too many people get wrong in English. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. How do you say it? Manically. Stress on that first syllable. Ma-ni-cly. You pretty much skip the second A. Manically. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support, it helps a lot. Thanks for that. More videos for you here to learn more confusing words and correct pronunciation. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.